Okay folks, here it is, the test bed for the Williams WR27 gas turbine, which is going to power my Hydra WIG, or wing and ground effect vehicle. Basically, the WR27 is a ground power or auxiliary power unit for an S3 Viking, which is a US Navy submarine hunter. It's also a air start for it. It produces 890 CFMs of air at 50 psi. So the theory behind it is to put it in the boat and use the huffer air or the air start air to drive the two propellers that are mounted on these supply ducts via two roots blowers from a Ford 3.8 liter V6 engine. And there's two of them, one on each side. So basically I purchased the WR27 off of eBay. It had pretty good records, and the fellow that sold it was pretty forthcoming with all the information on it. So we pretty much took a chance on it and decided that it was a reliable engine. It hadn't been run. In the S3 Viking, it started with a hydraulic pressure, auxiliary hydraulic pressure, and so we weren't able to duplicate that here. It would be pretty difficult, so we adapted a 24 volt hydraulic power pack motor from Princess Auto, the aviation supplier of choice, and made an adapter coupling and a mount for the starter. Now, the question behind all this with that starter is that a starter generally just starts the engine and then decouples, and that's the end of it. In this, it's a hard coupling on a 5-to-1 pad here, so this starter will actually, after it's completed the start of the engine, then be dragged up to about 12,000 RPM, which we're not sure if this starter construction can take those kind of RPMs. That's why we're going to take some precautions with some protection on the operator. I've also machined a coupling to join the engine and the starter, and put a weak spot or a shear joint on it, so that if for some reason the starter malfunctions, in theory it'll decouple, and you know, it shouldn't have a catastrophic failure, but you never know. So anyways, in the S3 Viking, it has in the cockpit a big control panel and another panel called an SSU, safety and sequencing panel or unit, that controls the different parameters on the engine. So I had to separate all those systems. I don't have the panel from the S3 Viking. That would be nearly impossible to get. So basically I've turned it into a conventional manually controlled engine. I have to monitor the EGT and the RPM. Everything's been wired manually and separated, and I have to function as the sequence and security function as the operator. So I'll give you a little tour of the whole setup here. I'll just grab the camera.